Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about the unicorn truck, a 2021 Toyota Tundra Platinum, four-wheel drive, all the bells and whistles. The last year, one of the last trucks that you could get, at least in the Tundra lineup, with that V8, and right before they made the big changes to the 2022. Today, I'll discuss why I think it's a unicorn. I'll also encourage you, if you're looking to get a used truck, this is what I would be on the market for. In fact, I'm trying to find one for my wife, a Sequoia, that is the same setup. So I believe it's a 2022. They changed it to the new engine and new configuration in 2023. I believe on the Sequoia. I might be 1 year off on that. But my point is, this truck is such an absolute grand slam, home run. Many of the decisions I've made in my life, I'm like looking back on, I don't know if I made the right one. This one, I nailed it. I'll explain to you why today. This is what I'm calling the unicorn. And I got that name because some of my neighbors are starting to call it the unicorn. I think I made such a great decision. I kind of got lucky, if I'm gonna be honest here, but this truck is such a beast. So let's go back to the year 2020. Yeah, I know, right? Beginning of COVID. And let's go back to Toyota ending the production of this vehicle, which more or less has been the same since the year 2007, 2008, something around there. Same engine for the most part, same transmission for the most part, same everything for the most part, some body changes and little changes, and the technology got slightly better, not much, but slightly better on the technology. And I'm in this predicament where I'm going, okay, I'm in a position to buy the new Tundra. 2022 is coming out. It's gonna be sweet. It's supposed to get better gas mileage. It's supposed to be a little more rugged looking, etc. And I'm going back and forth. We have a 2013 Sequoia, same engine, same transmission. It's had no problems. I am a stickler on maintenance. I almost maybe overdo the maintenance if that's possible to do. But it has had absolutely zero problems. I mean, zero problems. And this truck as well, like zero problems. This has 48,000 miles on it. I was gonna say 44, but I think 48,000 miles on it. Our Sequoia has 144,000 miles on it. Both of these just running, I mean, perfect. Like you don't even think about it. You just get in, you start it, you go, take a look at the maintenance and do the maintenance. But other than that, it's a no-brainer. So I'm sitting there going, all right, I can buy this truck, and these are going like hotcakes. So I had to pay full price on this. So I basically paid full price on this truck. And back in those days, 2020, paying full price was absurd. Like it seemed like that was crazy to me. Now in today's world, a lot of the trucks have markups on them. And now those markups are starting to come back around and disappear, and maybe even starting to get discounts again. But through all my life, when I bought a vehicle, I was like, okay, whatever the price is, take off a certain percentage, and you know, the sticker price isn't really what you're gonna pay. I paid absolute full price for this thing, kind of sweating it out, going, I don't know if this is the right choice or not. So if you are in the Toyota world at all, if you're watching this video, you probably know Toyota has gone from one of the absolute most reliable vehicles of all time, in my opinion, to really running into stumbling blocks, and maybe more than stumbling blocks, right? The Tundra is having all kinds of problems. And mostly we were talking about that engine. Think about that. You buy the new Tundra. Now they have to replace the engine. Have you seen how they replace the engine? Have you seen it? Watch the videos. Look it up on YouTube. They pull the cab off of the truck, replace the engine, put the cab back down on it. There is no way that that's gonna happen without making a few mistakes, like little electrical connections or whatever. It just opens up a can of worms, in my opinion. Even if the new engine is perfect and runs great, I would always feel like a little bit uneasy about the reliability in a truck that had to have the full cab taken off, full engine replaced, cab back on. It just doesn't feel right at all. And you're not paying a discount to get that. You're paying a premium, and then you're rolling the dice that they would have to do that. Now, is the 2025 and the future trucks gonna have those problems? I would assume that Toyota is working their tail off to resolve these problems, but I don't know. I figured the 2023s and the 2024s would have it fixed, and that's not what I'm hearing. That's not what I'm hearing at all, so I don't know. Let's come back to why this is the unicorn though. So older technology. There's two things I don't love about this truck. Here's what they are. The gas mileage, I know, quit my complaining. When I bought the truck, I knew it would be 15 miles to the gallon, and that's pretty much what it is. So a little bit older technology. Again, the Platinum, you get the comfortable seats. Are they like Lexus leather? No. But are they very comfortable? Yep, I have no complaints whatsoever. And as I'm aging, the comfort of a seat is important. Back seat, we have 3 kids. And the back seat is perfect. You know, this is a big, wide truck. So the kids sitting 3 across, even though we're into teenager land, at least for one of them, it's just not a big deal. You know, it's not a problem at all space-wise. So the first ding I would give it is the technology is outdated. We sat in a Lexus the other day, and the Lexus, the newer ones, are fantastic with the technology. The surround sound, or the surround cameras, it's epic. It's such great technology. So, you know, you don't get some of that, obviously. But, and then the other hit is the gas mileage again. You know, 15 miles to the gallon, technology is a little outdated. I was gonna say the shorter bed, 5.5 foot bed or whatever this thing is, it just hasn't been a problem at all. From fitting paddle boards to whatever it is, it hasn't been a problem. If you're in the construction world, or if you're like, you know, a dirt bike guy and got to fit a larger dirt bike back here, okay, I can see how that doesn't work. But other than that, this truck, I mean, those couple little things, gas mileage, that's not little, but technology, and again, maybe that's not little. But overall, I'm just thrilled with this truck. If you have the opportunity to get your hands on one of these, this is a 2021. I would also consider the 2020. And then, you know, I mean, something around that range would be fantastic. Stay away from the 22s, 23s, even 24s. And are you really going to roll the dice and get a 25? You really going to roll the dice and do that? I don't know. My opinion is grab this truck right here, something close to this truck if you can get your hands on it. The price on these right now, the used car price on these is crazy. But once you get your hands on it, you should be in good shape. This truck's 4+ years old, maybe almost 4.5 years old. And you know, it's great. I have my monthly car payment, and I only have about 6 or 7 payments left, I believe. And then it's paid off. And then we just keep it for, quote, ever. And again, the maintenance is the big thing. I am a stickler. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, differentials, transfer case, all the fluids I'm very, very good about. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I apologize if I just kind of ranted there a little bit. If you're looking for a truck, this is a great way to go. It's getting increasingly hard to get your hands on these, but if you can get your hands on them, this is a unicorn. This is a diamond. All right, friends, hey, if you enjoyed this video, or if you have other videos you want me to make, put a comment down below. Let me know. If you have one of these trucks, let me know. You agree with me, disagree with me? Maybe you have one of the newer trucks and it's working great. Put a comment down below. Let us know. Thumbs up if you appreciate me making these videos, and we'll see you next time.